When this bitter mother repeatedly violated court orders, the judge had enough, and the punishment she received was pure karma.
Were you, in fact, denied parenting time on those 3 days?
I was.
And tell me what happened.
I drove up Jackson as I always do. No one came. I'm always there 20 minutes early. I let them know, like, as per usual, because this has been a thing going on 3 years, and it's continued to be since. They didn't care. The plaintiff doesn't care, which is why she's continued not to respond to any of the denials. She has told me on multiple occasions she does not care what the court does. She will not let me see Kinley when she feels like it. You know, Kinley loves football. They made sure she missed the NFL draft. I had tickets for her to go to a wrestling show that she begged me to go to. She's going to be devastated when she realized she missed all of these things.
She refused to go. She told me flat out, I am not going out there. And I told her that we don't have a choice, that it was the court's decision. And she told me that that's when she told me that she was going to run away. She hasn't had a thorough conversation in why she doesn't want to go out there, aside from him being upset that she cut her hair. She also has been demonstrating a little bit more like tomboyish behavior, and said that her father threatened to keep her away from her cousins if she continued to act like a boy, and that she needed to act like a girl. She does suffer from gender dysphoria. So just those small comments can have a big impact on how Kinley is feeling and her mental health at this point. More embarrassingly, she's coming into maturity and is about to start her period. She does not want to start her period with her father. She would like to go through that experience with her mother, which I respect. I have no control. I have no knowledge to know when exactly that will occur. There is obviously something triggering this immediate, yes, I'm willing to go, and now I'm not going. And I don't have a clear answer of what that is.
If these have been lies that Ms. Claywell just spews, if all of this was a thing, she could have just responded to all the denials. She hasn't responded to any of them. None of them. As recent as this week, I just got one. She refused to respond to it. I just want to spend time with my child, and these reasons Ms. Claywell is creating are simply not true.
The court will find in this case that she has not complied with the order at the current time for these additional 3 denials and additional 6 overnights. The court will hold her in contempt. And Ms. Claywell, what I'm going to do is, this is a history. This isn't a one-time. It isn't something that's occurred, as you say, because of the child's gender dysphoria. This has happened when she was 9 years old, before any of that happened, until the current. What the court is going to do, I am remanding you to the custody of the Calhoun County Sheriff, where you will remain until the child goes for parenting time.